Hi everyone, welcome back to my garden, and for something a little bit different today I thought I'd show you around my bath garden. So this garden was created for me for my 40th birthday, and it's essentially a poor man's hot tub surrounded by a perennial garden. At the moment there's not much flowering other than the daffodils, and in spring this is when this garden comes to life. I'll put some photos up of what it looks like in spring. So the idea of the garden is, I suppose, to provide a bit of a tranquil space, an outdoor bathroom, and that noise you can hear is actually the actual bath water being heated. So the bath is filled by bore water because that's what we use in the garden, and there's the tap there, and we just fill that with a hose till it gets over the top of this little spout. The water does look dirty, but it is bore water. And what happens is there is another pipe coming out of the bath and leading into the fire pit there and into a copper coil. And the idea is that the copper coil heats up, it draws the water out of the bath, the cold water, into the coil, the fire heats the coil, and then it forces the water out this spout here. So it takes about, 1.5 to 2 hours to heat this bathtub, and it does get hot, really, really hot. And the idea is we sit out here at night under the stars, enjoy a drink, and relax in the bath. So the original idea for the bathtub was to get a metal bathtub, put it on a plinth, and light a fire underneath. And after thinking about that for a while, I thought, I don't know if that sounds like a good idea. It kind of sounds a little bit like Looney Tunes and Bugs Bunny getting boiled and someone coming along and adding the carrots.
Easy does it.
So after a bit of discussion and a bit of YouTube education, we found a system that uses the copper coil. So that's what we've used here. So everything in the design is either second-hand or found material, except for this metal frame. Originally I was going to grow a climber, a wisteria or something over the top, and then after using the bath we discovered that there's nothing nicer actually than looking up and seeing the night sky. So we're going to leave it bare for the moment anyway. So the tub came from a farm nearby, same with the timber gate. The pavers we already had on hand. The planting plan for the garden was just to create a screen with perennials, and I did have a weeping broom just there that unfortunately died and did block out some of that view to our driveway. So I need to replace that with something. And I've got some viburnums and some roses and some herbs and lots of scented plants. I've got quite a few mock oranges in this area as well. So in summer of an evening, it's quite pleasant to sit out here and, smell all the aromas from the plants and some lavender. I haven't finished cutting back this garden yet. There's still a few grasses and things that need to be chopped back. And I need to think about trying a few different things to add height, especially at the back of the bath garden. Even though we don't have neighbours, we do have people that will drive in down our driveway from time to time. So not that there's any lights out here, not that you could see anything, but it'd still be nice for it to be more enclosed and a little bit more like a secret garden. So I hope you like our tour. I'll try and put some pictures up of the bath garden at night. I'm not sure how that'll go. And I'll put some pictures up of what it looks like in spring. It really does come into full effect during the spring. So thanks for watching again. Bye.